Hey there and welcome to the WP Club YouTube channel. Today we will dive into the world of BWD Addons, an all-in-one solution for enhancing website design and functionalities. With unique, customizable and advanced features, BWD Addons surely stand out from all other Elementor add-ons. Stick around and let's explore the benefits and features the BWD Addons offer. Let's get started. So at first, let's understand what the BWD add-ons offer us. It's an all-in-one solution for enhancing website design and functionalities. It has over 200 widgets, a robust theme builder, specialized builders for single product pages, post pages, headers and footers, and many more. So with its advanced features, the BWD add-ons surely stand out from all other Elementor add-ons. So we can check what the BWD add-ons offer us, and we can check the functionalities and features it offers. For that, we need to go to the dashboard. Here is the dashboard, and here you can see the changelog part. The changelog is available both for the free version and pro version. Here you can see the updates the add-ons have had. And what has been updated. Here you can see the widgets bar, active widgets and inactive widgets. Then comes the what's new part. Here you can see what has been added quite recently, for example theme builder, Instagram feed, etc. Then comes the new template coming soon part, and here you can see what will come soon to the plugin and what updates the plugin is planning, and as we can see, a new template will be available soon for the users. Then comes the request for review part, and here you can click on the request for review button if you have any suggestions for improvement, or you have a feedback that will help the add-ons to improve quality and offer better service. You can click on a request for review button and offer your suggestions. Then comes the system requirement part. Here you can see the requirements your WordPress website must have to be able to use the BWD add-ons. That you need to have the Elementor and WooCommerce plugins. Minimum PHP version must be this one, max post size, memory limit, minimum Elementor version, etc. And here you can see this data displayed. And by scrolling down, we can see some documentation. Here you can see the reviews part where you can leave your feedback, and of course you can get support if you have any questions or need assistance. Once we're done with the dashboard, we can go ahead with the core widgets. Here you can see both pro widgets and free widgets. You can enable the widgets by clicking on the toggle. Here you can see that all widgets are displayed. The BWD add-ons offer a great number of widgets you can use for your website, and it's incredible. You can filter by all widgets, by free widgets, and by pro widgets. Let's click on all widgets, and we will show you the core widgets the add-ons offer, and we will see demos for some of the widgets so that you can understand how they actually look like. So here we can enable the Meet the Team widget by clicking on a toggle. For example, the Meet the Team widget is a perfect solution to create an appealing team introduction section. Let's together check the demo for the Meet the Team widget so that you can understand how actually it looks like. Here you can see the first style. As you can see, it's quite beautiful, and it looks like a professional website. here you can see, then the style 2, you can see another styling here, and the style 3. You can choose the one you prefer, the one that meets your site design perfectly. And style 5, as you can see, there are so many styles here, so that you can choose the one you prefer most, like this. Style 7. All these styles look very advanced and beautiful. As you can see, the team members are represented, and it's a perfect way to represent the team members in a beautiful way, like this. As you can see, there are lots of styles here, and all are quite beautiful. So let's go back to the dashboard, and here you can see other general widgets as well. For example, promo box, team flip box, animated heading, etc. There are lots of general widgets you can use. Then comes the CV builder. Here you can enable the CV widget, and you can add any parts you want, for example, about, contact, education, footer and header, etc. Then comes the hero sections. Here you can see different styles. You can choose the one you prefer. Then comes the blog widgets. You can enable the post grid, post list, post titles, post prestige portfolio, etc. So you can showcase the blog posts in a clean and engaging grid formatting. And also you can check the list formatting. Let's check the demo for the post grid. Here we can scroll down, and you can see that there are lots of styles available. All these are different styles, and all of them are quite beautiful and quite professional, like this. There are 19 styles you can use. So let's go back to the dashboard. Then comes the WooCommerce widgets. Here we can enable the product grid, product list, product carousel, etc. With the help of the product grid, you can display products in an appealing and customizable grid view. Here we can also see the product category carousel. So let's check the demo for the product category carousel as well, so that you can see how it actually looks like. So let's go. We will scroll down, and you can see how beautiful it is and how advanced it looks like this. There are so many styling options you can use. That's all. We can go back to the dashboard. You can see the product single, stock count, stock progress, title, rating, dimensions, video, shipping class, etc. Then comes the product archive, archive count, catalog ordering, archive title, etc. Then comes the card widgets with the checkout, card list, card status message, card table. Then the checkout, you can add any information you'd like, additional info form, billing form, card status, etc. Then comes the header and footer widget. The add-ons offer the customization and flexibility to create distinctive headers and footers, and you don't need to have any coding skills to do this. So the add-ons are very easy to use, and it's a great opportunity. Then we can scroll down to the next widgets, which is post single. Here you can see feature image, navigation, title, content, etc. Post archive, archive post, archive title. Then comes the thank you part, customer details, order received, and then come widgets related to the account. Let's scroll up and check one of the general widgets, which is horizontal timeline slider with this one. Let's check the demo for it to see how it actually looks like. it is this one. It is again quite beautiful, like this. It has so many design options. So here we have both free and pro widgets, but you can always go ahead and purchase the pro version if you want to get more advanced widgets. We can go ahead with the extensions part. Here you can see 20 extensions you can use, and all the extensions are available in a pro version. So you can purchase the pro version to get access to the extensions. All these extensions are meant to make the feature management process easier and a fun process. Here you can add 3D text, notation, confetti effects, reveal effects, floating animation, etc. So let's go ahead with the theme builder. With the help of theme builder, you can create custom themes with full design and layout control. Here you can see header builder, footer builder, with the help of which you can create customizable headers and footers, single product pages, product archives, customizable cart pages, checkout pages, single post, account pages, thank you pages, post archive, and what is great about theme builder is that you have full layout control and you can use the drag and drop format. So that's all with the dashboard discussion. We can check the current Black Friday deal for the BWD Elementor Addons. It's a wonderful offer for the users. You can get early bird access to Ultimate Web Design Toolkit before anyone else. You can see that the Black Friday deal offers 3 exclusive bonuses. It has one-time payment, lifetime access, and what is great is that it offers 60 days money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the add-ons, you can just use the money-back guarantee and get a refund. By scrolling down here, you can see what the add-ons offer us. Theme builder, 20 to 200 plus widgets, 20 powerful extensions, 2,500 plus preset designs, and lifetime unlimited website. So it's a great offer for you. We scroll down, and here you can see that you will get 3 bonuses: WPCV builder, Who Sales Builder, and Gutenberg blocks. With the help of the CV Builder, you can start your SaaS business instantly with the CV Builder platform. Sales Builder offers a complete WooCommerce bundle to elevate your online shop. And Gutenberg blocks offer faster and advanced Gutenberg blocks for design. So the total value of the following special gifts is over $1,500, but if you use the Black Friday early bird offer, you will get them with these bonuses, and you will of course save money. That's all in this video tutorial. We have explored all the advanced features and functionalities the BWD add-ons provide. Don't miss the chance to take advantage of the early bird offer and explore the full potential the BWD Elementor add-ons provide. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Bye!